Hey Tappy, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing good. Before that, guys, if you are new in this channel, make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe, and join my Telegram. You will get the link on the description, and you will get the link on top. So yeah, you will get like if anything comes, I will upload on my Telegram. So yeah, definitely join my Telegram. Let's talk about next Telegram for code with typing code. The code is legend. Okay, LDZE, and you will get 400k tokens. This is the first code, and this is first part of sharing all like all Tapswap code. Okay, and I will just update you, like I will upload part 2, part 3, part 4. Okay, make sure you guys like this video. I will aim it like 20 to 50 likes, so make sure you guys complete this like. And okay, let's talk about next code. Okay, next code is this. Okay, I will just see, you can see here who I just tried this, but this is failed. But yeah, I know the code, and I just recently uploaded on my Telegram, so I just watched from there, and I am going to update you guys. Okay, let's go to how to make money on stocks. The code is the code is fake out for this. Okay, how to make money on stocks. The code is fake out, and you can see here, and we get 400k token. Yeah, so collect this 400k token, and let's go to next update, like Bitcoin update MT GOX, like this, and the code is PD9. Yes, and what was those other code? It's 6HN81YM, and you will get like 400k token. And if you didn't collect now, just collect now. Okay, go and update your Tapswap attacks. And the next code is blockchain secrets, and the code is 2V3L5, and you will get 400k token. Okay, let's collect it. And yeah, let's go to next task, and the next task is with crypto bots are scamming you, and the code is inflation. Okay, inflation, INFLATION, and you will get 400k token. Okay guys, this is first part. If you like this video, make sure guys like, share, subscribe, and I will upload part 2.